Well, hello my YouTube friends. Today we are having an onboard ride through Aloes. We hop into the cab with the engineer and run along the main line and passing siding at Aloes. Then we climb into the caboose with the brakeman and we observe the tracks from the rear platform. Here we can see the switch being set for the passing siding from the East London Harbour side, and we slowly run into the passing siding. On the left hand side is the car factory, as you can see from the big steel coils and also the frames for the cars that's being manufactured, plus a tank car with some oil or petrol, gondola for scrap, and a container containing some probably batteries or tires. And we see some empty car carriers yet to be loaded, and then we join the main line again and we come to an abrupt stop as the bridge spanning the garage doors are in place. The signals are set and we change back to the passing siding. You can see the indicator showing that we will divert to the right, which is the passing siding. And here we are slowly going down the passing siding after a short stop or two. And we can see the signal on the left has changed to red as we are in the passing siding. If that was green, it may end up in a collision when we exit the passing siding back onto the main line. And here we are doing exactly that, exiting and passing onto the main line. And then we are continuing past the CUPP cement plant. That's actually Concrete Ultimate Preparation Plant, the abbreviation, although somebody might think it means something different. You can see East London Harbour on the left hand side and a city scene in the background as we pass East London Harbour, which is now out of view on the left. There we can see part of the oil depot, and then in front of us is Bruce's Engineering, named after a late friend of mine, and also the grain silos. And there's a burst water pipe with a guy in his wheelbarrow. It's another guy with a pickaxe inside the hollow or whatever the area they dug up. And then we join the brakeman in the caboose and we start looking at the track disappearing behind us in the distance as we now go back to Aloes, following the same track, the main line around the rear of behind East London Harbour, and you can see the backdrop speeding past us. In the entrance to the harbour, the container berth, the loco that's lost its tender just standing there, and then again the cement plant, and we are about to run into Aloes on the main line this time and not the passing siding. And at the station you will see the station master ready to hand over the tablet that gives us right of way on the track and 2 aloe plants. And then we see the signal that is still red protecting us. And here we are reversing on the main line from the opposite side, looking at the tracks disappearing behind us, and a little farm scene on the right with the tractor and some straw bales that are being fed to the animals, and the wind pump. And there's the aloe plants again on the right, and there we come to an end of this trip. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so, and thank you for watching.